Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks and other late niceties. I'm your host, Corey. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I've been wanting to get into doing some of these little memes that you've seen floating around, these meme cocktails. And this is a perfect opportunity to give one a shot. This is June of 2024, so if you're seeing this in the future, you may not know what I'm talking about, but there was a lovely little lady who has gotten pretty infamous on the internet for her bedroom tricks, so to speak, called the Tuah. We've been having fun just posting memes. It's a little, it's a little subliminal if you don't know what it is, and if you do, then it's just hilarious. And there's been memes galore, and my buddy Kent sent me an actual cocktail recipe that the people at mybartender.com had created, and I figured, why not give it a shot? And so here we are. And as always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a cocktail. All right, not having my normal setup, I feel a little cramped here, but it's all good. It seemed like a pretty easy drink. My understanding, someone had mentioned it's sort of like a Jamaican 10-speed, but without the melon liqueur. So I'm not sure what that is. Maybe we'll try that in the future. But really easy going. So 2 ounces of coconut rum. 1 ounce of banana liqueur. 3 ounces of pineapple juice. 1, 2, 3. Ah ha ha. All right. Now we're shaking. They're using a hurricane glass. The only one I have is from the treasure ship from Panama City Beach, RIP. If you never got a chance to go, it was a pretty special little place. It was actually, looks like a ship. You got to have seafood on it. It was awesome. With that being said, now it says, we top it off with some Ready Whip. And a nanner. If you're from the South, you know what a nanner is. Because I'm assuming this is our member. And it said real coconut, the cream of coconut in the recipe, but it never said what to do with it. From the picture, it looks like it's the hot Tuah on the, yeah, that's pretty. Oh, this is so perverted. All right, let's give this thing a shot. Yeah, that's a very beach-friendly drink. I mean, I would make that whether it's the hot Tuah or not. I mean, it's very fruity, not very strong. Probably get really drunk off this. Yeah, I say make a hot Tuah. The girl will live in infamy. Here's to the hot Tuah girl. And for the rest of you, well, you know what to do. Cheers.